Hi guys, I'm Mike. I'm just doing a review for Expert Trades on this Bahco screwdriver kit. It's a VDE rated set, comes in this nice nylon pouch, nice big chunky belt loop as well, so you can fit it on a work belt nice. What's really nice about this, it's loaded vertically, so if it is on your belt and you open it up, you can just pull the bits out you want and bang them in your screwdriver, no problem. And what I found really unusual with this for a VDE screwdriver is it's actually got a ratchet mechanism, which I've never seen before on a VDE screwdriver. I've got a different couple of kits and I've never had one with a ratchet in. Nice and simple, just loads as you've seen. Twist for your ratchet just like any other ratchet screwdriver, but it is a nice fine tooth mechanism in it as well, like literally just such a small turn till the ratchet starts. And then all the bits are this nice slimline design, so you can get in nice and deep and not damage any of the insulation up there. To release a bit, you just push this big yellow button on the back and they come out. Then you can put them back in the pouch, no problem. All in all, not a bad piece of kit. I've been using it for about a week and a half, 2 weeks, I think. But the only downside for me is it doesn't come with a PZ slotted, which is what I call it anyway, one of these ones used for these little circuit breakers. You can get away with using a posi or you can get away with using a flathead, but I just prefer using these. I think you get less cam out and you can get them a bit tighter with them. I did look for extra bits, and extra bits for this are £16 for one or £20 for two was the best prices I could find. For £20 I can get a set of 6 of these. So it's a bit being realistic. Do I want 2 bits for this or do I want 6 of these? And then on the other hand, this is £60 or £70 cheaper than that. I can get this WeHack kit that comes with 16 bits and 2 handles, and bits for this are only £5.95 each. I could find them for the cheapest. So again, value for money wise, I don't think so. Yeah, the ratchet's nice, but overall I don't think it's worth the extra money for the ratchet and less bits. So that's just my opinion though, guys. You guys might love it. I'm not particularly keen on it, but thanks anyway, guys. See ya.